In the bustling urban landscape, where skyscrapers dominate the skyline and concrete jungles stretch far and wide, the craving for a connection with nature remains insatiable. For apartment dwellers confined within limited living spaces, the dream of cultivating a lush garden may seem far-fetched. However, with the rise of indoor gardening, the barriers between urban living and nature are crumbling. Indoor gardening has emerged as a therapeutic and aesthetically pleasing endeavor that allows apartment dwellers to bring the outdoors inside. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of indoor gardening, exploring the diverse flora suitable for apartment living and the creative ways to integrate greenery seamlessly into interior spaces. Choosing the right plants. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to thriving indoors. Apartment dwellers need to consider factors like available light, temperature, and space constraints. Low-maintenance plants such as succulents and snake plants are excellent choices for those with busy lifestyles. These hardy plants can withstand a variety of conditions and require minimal care. For those with a penchant for color, flowering plants like orchids and peace lilies add a vibrant touch to indoor spaces. Additionally, herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary can be cultivated on windowsills, providing both culinary benefits and aromatic ambience. Space optimization. One of the challenges of indoor gardening in apartments is the limited space available. However, with a bit of creativity, every nook and cranny can be transformed into a green oasis. Vertical gardening is an ingenious solution for those with limited floor space. Wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, and trellises allow for a vertical display of plants, turning bare walls into lush focal points. Additionally, strategically placing plants on shelves, countertops, and windowsills can maximize space utilization while adding a touch of nature to every corner. Container gardening. Container gardening is a versatile and practical approach for apartment dwellers. Choosing the right containers is crucial for the health and growth of indoor plants. Opt for containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, and consider the size of the container in relation to the plant's root system. Window boxes, hanging pots, and decorative planters come in various shapes and sizes, allowing for a customized and visually appealing indoor garden. Experimenting with different containers can also add a decorative element to the overall aesthetic of the living space. Lighting solutions. Natural light is a precious commodity in many apartments, especially those surrounded by other buildings. While most plants thrive in sunlight, not all require direct exposure. Understanding the light conditions in your apartment is essential for selecting the right plants. Low-light plants like pothos, ZZ plants, and ferns can thrive in shaded areas, making them ideal for spaces with limited sunlight. For those craving a more comprehensive garden experience, supplemental lighting solutions, such as LED grow lights, can be employed to provide the necessary light spectrum for plant growth. Caring for indoor plants. Successful indoor gardening goes beyond choosing the right plants and containers. It requires consistent care and attention. Watering is a critical aspect of plant care, and the frequency varies depending on the type of plant and environmental conditions. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can result in wilting and dehydration. Regularly inspecting plants for pests, providing adequate fertilization, and pruning when necessary are essential tasks to ensure the longevity of indoor plants. Taking the time to understand the specific needs of each plant in your indoor garden will foster a thriving and harmonious green space. Aesthetic integration. Indoor gardening is not merely a practical endeavor. It is an art form that contributes to the overall aesthetics of the living space. Selecting a cohesive color palette for plant containers, choosing complementary plant varieties, and incorporating decorative elements such as rocks or pebbles can elevate the visual appeal of an indoor garden. Consider the overall theme of your interior design and use indoor plants as natural accents to enhance the ambience of the space. Therapeutic benefits. Beyond the visual and decorative aspects, indoor gardening offers a myriad of therapeutic benefits. The act of nurturing plants, witnessing their growth, and cultivating a green sanctuary within the confines of an apartment can have a positive impact on mental well-being. Studies have shown that indoor plants can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall cognitive function. The presence of greenery indoors fosters a sense of connection with nature, providing a refuge from the fast-paced urban lifestyle. Indoor gardening for apartment dwellers is not just a trend. It is a lifestyle choice that brings nature closer to home. By carefully selecting the right plants, optimizing space, and integrating aesthetic elements, apartment dwellers can transform their living spaces into vibrant, green sanctuaries. Beyond the visual appeal, indoor gardening offers therapeutic benefits that contribute to a more holistic and balanced lifestyle. As the popularity of indoor gardening continues to grow, the boundaries between urban living and the natural world blur, allowing city dwellers to experience the joys of gardening without stepping outside their front door.